So here's what we eat for a day. I was planning to update a few of my posts, so that's what we're gonna eat for the day. Oh my gosh. The first one is my chickpea flour omelet. That's what we made for breakfast. For that, mix all of the dry ingredients in a bowl. We use some flaxseed meal to add some binding. You can also use chia seed meal, kala namak to add that eggy flavor, and some baking soda to add some leavening. Usually a chickpea flour omelet is just chickpea flour and water, but then it can be a very flat kind of omelet and we want it to be fluffier. Then we add in all of the wet ingredients. The non-dairy yogurt will add leavening as well as add more moist omelet-like texture to the chickpea flour pancake. Mix really well until there are no lumps. To cook the omelet, heat a non-stick heavy bottom skillet over medium heat. Once the skillet is hot, brush a little oil to grease, then pour the batter and spread on the pan. Then place your vegetable slices on the batter. Now cover the pan and cook until the edges start to look golden and they kind of release from the pan. Once that side is cooked, flip very carefully and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side and your omelet is ready. You can add in some cheese and fold the omelet and it'll be nice and cheesy and fluffy. You can serve it with some sriracha, some chutney, a side of roasted potatoes or hash browns, or a side salad, some fruit. For lunch, I made some celery black pepper tofu. It's what I make when I'm craving black pepper or I have a ton of celery that I want to use up. It tastes just like takeout and it's absolutely delicious as well as super easy. We will first bake our tofu. So press the tofu and cube it and add to a bowl. Then add the soy sauce and toss to coat. Mix in all of the spices in the cornstarch and sprinkle that all over the tofu. Then spread the coated tofu cubes on a parchment lined baking sheet. Spread them so that they're not sticking to each other. Then bake for 20 minutes or longer until it's crisp. Now you make that delicious black pepper sauce. There's black pepper in the tofu marinade as well, and there's tons of black pepper in the sauce. Heat the skillet over medium heat. Add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the garlic, ginger, and red chilies and cook until the garlic is golden. Then add in the celery, add in a pinch of salt and cook for about 2 minutes or so. We don't want to overcook the celery, we want it to have a little bit of the bite. Then add in the baked tofu. Toss and mix really well. Cook for about a minute or so to bring the sauce to a boil so that it thickens a little bit. Taste and adjust the flavor, switch off the heat and garnish with some green onion, some more black pepper if you like, and serve with rice or quinoa or in lettuce wraps. It is an easy lunch and it's absolutely delicious. For dinner tonight, my husband was craving something meaty and something Indian, so I made Balti chicken. Balti curries usually have these certain set of spices that give it that amazing flavor. If you're missing a spice or two, that is okay. There's enough flavor in this sauce. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds and cook them until they change color. Add in the other whole spices. Add in the onion and a good pinch of salt and cook until the onion is golden all over. Then add in all of the ground spices. Add in the 1/4 cup of water and mix in. Then add in your ginger garlic paste and chopped cilantro and mint leaves if using. Add in the tomato puree and the optional tomato. Add in your vegan chicken, your veggie grounds or veggie crumbles, the water and the salt, and simmer that for 10 to 15 minutes. Add some non-dairy yogurt for creaminess. Cook for a minute or so and your Balti chicken is ready. It's just a really delicious and easy Indian curry. So that wraps up what we ate that day. I just started trying out these videos, so do let me know in the comments if you like this format. If you have any suggestions or ideas or anything else, just put them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, so please do leave comments on the video and on the website. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.